people still miss Windows 7 for a reason. It was clean, it was fast, it made sense. This build brings it back without losing modern support. Old design, new core, real performance. It feels familiar and works like today. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's start. Let's go through what actually changes with Windows 7 2026 Edition version 3, step by step. Start with the first thing you notice. On stock Windows 11, the Start menu feels overloaded. Pinned apps you never installed. 30+ programs already sitting there. Most cannot be removed. It feels busy from the start. Now switch to Windows 7 2026 v3. The Start menu is clean. No random pins. No hidden apps running in the background. Now check storage. A standard Windows 11 install takes around 24 gigabytes. Before you install anything, your disk space starts filling up immediately. Windows 7 2026 v3 takes a different route. The full system uses about 9 gigabytes. No bundled apps, no unnecessary components. Only what is required to run the system. Now, memory usage. Stock Windows 11 sits around 2.6 gigabytes RAM at idle on a 4 gigabyte system. Even opening a single Chrome tab can slow things down. Windows 7 2026 v3 then starts near 1.4 gigabytes after installation. If you want to push it further, use Velotic. Open Velotic Pro. Go to Cleanup. Enable AI Managed Cleaning. Within seconds, RAM usage drops close to 600 megabytes. That is real reduction in overhead. Velotic is built to improve speed, control, and stability without breaking your system. You sit down at your PC with a goal. It should be simple. Open, start, move fast. Instead, it hesitates. Loads pile up. Every click feels heavier than it should. Velotic fixes that at the root. This is not a surface-level cleanup tool. It takes control of how your system behaves. From the moment you run it, your PC responds the way it was meant to. Clean input, fast output. No friction, games run without random drops. Apps launch without delay. The system stays consistent, not just right after a cleanup, but every single day. Velotic watches how you use your machine and adjusts in real time. CPU and GPU tuning happens automatically. You get performance when you need it, stability when it counts. It removes clutter before it turns into slowdown. It shuts down background waste that drains your system. It keeps Windows intact while removing what holds it back. You gain access to over 500 proven tweaks. One action removes bloat. No guesswork. No risk. You install what you need instantly. No setup struggle. Storage pressure disappears. Safe compression frees space without touching your files. Everything stays intact. Your system runs lighter. This is not a quick fix. This is a long-term shift in how your PC performs. Built over years. Used daily by people who cannot afford slow systems. Improved with every update. Install it once. Performance stops being a problem. Velotic, built for people who expect speed. Now push it further. Turn your Windows 11 into Tiny 11 or Windows 10 into Tiny 10 with just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloat. Press play on Tiny 11 or Tiny 10. One action. Full transformation. No data loss, no broken features. Same machine, completely different experience. Check the info section or the guide in the description if you want the full breakdown. You have already felt the frustration. This is the alternative. Now, background activity. Stock Windows 11 runs around 160 processes, 1,900 threads, 65,000 handles. Even when idle, it keeps working in the background. Windows 7 2026 v3 reduces this to around 89 processes, 1,200 threads, 30,000 handles. All core features stay intact. Nothing important is removed. Your CPU is used for your tasks, not background load. Now, performance. Stock Windows 11 carries constant overhead. More services running, more resources reserved. On this system, it scores 1,979 single-core, 5,107 multi-core. Now, Windows 7 2026 v3. This build removes unnecessary components from the base. no bundled apps, no background advertising layers. On the same hardware, it scores 2,490 single-core, 6,743 multi-core. Same system, much better output. Now security. Windows 7 2026 v3 keeps modern protection intact. Windows Defender works, Firewall works. Anti-cheat systems function properly. Defender is disabled by default. Nothing runs unless you enable it. To turn it on, open Configure Toolbox. Go to Windows Defender. Press Enable. Protection starts instantly and works as expected. Now updates. Updates are paused by default. Only critical security fixes install automatically. If you want full updates, open Settings. Go to Updates. Enable them. You can disable updates completely, but that is not recommended. Now the Microsoft Store. It works like a normal Windows system once updates are enabled. No apps come pre-installed. You install only what you need. Open Store. Search for an app. Press Get. It installs instantly. Sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account. Everything syncs normally. What you get here is simple. A Windows 7 experience rebuilt for modern use. Lower storage usage, lower RAM usage, stronger performance, no clutter, no hidden activity, no unnecessary load. If you want a system that stays fast and predictable every day, this is the right choice. You will find the full install guide in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.